Today's topic is the forward or forward bending. Now, this is one of the most important full range of motion, but many people are having problems with this one. Now, let's test your forward fold. If your forward fold looks something like this, I show you from this view, something like this. It is because look what happens here. As you go in the pose, you're just bending the top of your back and shoulder. You're dropping the top and you're not really going anywhere. You can't go much lower because of this starting position. Now let's have a look. How should it be done? You should stand a hip wide apart or a little bit wider, and your feet are pointing forward, straight and forward. So this is the starting position. Now I turn a little bit and have a look in a different view. It's probably better. Now the next step is from this standing position, you just bend your knee a little bit. I haven't done anything else. I just bent my knee a little bit. I haven't grounded my back or did any weird stuff. I just lowered myself a bit by bending the knee. Now the next step is you hinge from your hip. You stick your bum out and you slowly start to lower your torso. Lower, 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 lower. See if your belly can touch the top of your thigh. And here you go. You touched the floor with your palm. See how you go with this movement. Now, what is going on here? Firstly, it's a hip flexion. Hip flexion. Secondly, we need our hamstrings to work for us. Hamstrings. Now, as we move into the position, I did mention that we bend our knee. This is so we protect our lower back from any pain or discomfort. So if you go with a straight knee, it's much worse. If you go with a bent knee, it's easier on your joints. You can try to straighten your leg, the top of the leg, your quads and hamstrings as you are in the pose and down in the pose, but it's just safer to go in it with slightly bent knees. See how you go and pop any questions, comments, or anything in the comment section below.